Okay, I'm filming. It's in there? Where about? Okay, say what you're doing, Dad.
Alright, our first attempt at blowing up this watermelon failed, so now I got a bottle rocket and we're going to try to blow it up this way, okay? Alexander, come over here on this side. Alright.
Wait, gotta put my poncho on more.
Here we go.
Later problems, technical difficulties. I expected boom.
Here we go.
Okay.
I got a sparkler as a fuse, because this is redneck watermelon blow up.
Wait, poncho. Let me take.
Back a little bit, Alexander.
That worked too well. Oh, okay. Goodbye.